Elementor is one of the most popular page builder tools. It is used by more than 8 million people to make websites with WordPress that have a lot of features. And because Elementor has so many users, there are a number of methods to generate money with it. You can use Elementor in any of the following ways to make money. Some of them are for folks who have never used Elementor before, while others are for Elementor experts. But before we get into that, I want to welcome you to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's a big money moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cow community and making money online with us today. Now let's do this. Freelancing with Elementor. One of the best ways to make money is to work as a freelancer with Elementor. It's something you can accomplish on your own and make a major part of your income from. So, if you know enough about Elementor and have enough experience, you should try freelancing. This is maybe the finest method to make a lot of money and establish a reputation as an Elementor specialist. You are able to engage in freelancing work with Elementor even if you are new to the program and have just recently begun using it. Nevertheless, you shouldn't take on any tasks or job until you're confident in your ability to carry them out and see them through to completion. However, at this point, you may be wondering where exactly to begin your freelance career. In the following segment of the video, we will go over this topic in more detail. How to start freelancing with Elementor. On the internet, one may find a large number of venues for freelancing. However, not all of these platforms are legitimate and free of frauds. Therefore, if you are interested in beginning a career as a freelancer, it is essential to select the appropriate platform. There are obviously quite a few websites devoted to freelancing, but the three that follow are the ones that we think offer the best combination of practicality, authenticity, and credibility. 1. Elementor Experts. Elementor Experts is a platform that was developed so that Elementor-related services can be provided by professionals. And the best part about this platform is that it is where you can locate customers that want Elementor specialists to create and fix their websites. This is a huge advantage. You can find out more information about how to join the Elementor Experts platform by going to the official website of the Elementor Experts. 2. Upwork. There are several opportunities for freelance work that may be found on Upwork. When it was still known as Odesk, Upwork was the place where many people began their start as freelancers. When you use Upwork, you open the door to working with customers from all around the world. You also have the opportunity to earn a top-rated programmer badge, in addition to making a respectable amount of money. Go to Upwork's official website to learn more about how you may become a member of the platform. 3. Fiverr. You can also find freelance work on Fiverr, making it one of the most popular places in the world to do so. Fiverr, in contrast to Upwork, organizes work into gigs. You have the potential to make more money than one gig, given your level of expertise and experience. Fiverr is a useful platform that's very simple to navigate. Go to Fiverr's official website if you want to learn more about how to become a member of the platform. Affiliates can make money by promoting Elementor Pro and earning commissions on sales. If you join Elementor Pro's affiliate network, you'll have the opportunity to earn money with the plugin. However, you won't be allowed to participate in their program unless you can demonstrate that you can provide something of value to it, and that you can reach the appropriate individuals. Therefore, if you are a web design agency, a WordPress developer, a WordPress blogger, or a YouTuber, or if you reach a relevant audience through your website, courses, etc., you have a good chance of getting into the Elementor affiliate program. You also have a good chance of getting into the program if you are a YouTuber. Is it a good idea to use Elementor Pro for affiliate marketing? The answer is yes. Elementor Pro is an excellent option for a product to use in affiliate marketing. For web designers, developers, marketers, and marketers working with small businesses and agencies, Elementor Pro offers a wide variety of useful capabilities. You may reach a wider audience by becoming familiar with its many features and selling it to them. On the other hand, Elementor is a WordPress page builder tool that has gained a lot of popularity and is used by a lot of people. The free version of Elementor is used by many people on their websites. You can convince these users to upgrade to Elementor Pro by demonstrating the advantages of the paid version. How much commission on Elementor you can expect to earn as an affiliate. You get a piece of 50% of each sale made through the Elementor Affiliate Network, which comes standard with all Elementor Pro plans. By putting Elementor Pro in front of the proper individuals, this has the potential to increase the amount of money you make as an affiliate. How you can promote Elementor Pro. Here are some legitimate ways to market Elementor Pro so that you can earn money for each individual who signs up as a result of your efforts. Include a review of Elementor and what it is capable of doing on your website or blog. Create some movies or articles that explain how to utilize the Elementor editing software. Make use of a variety of social media platforms in order to get the word out about Elementor Pro. Create Elementor classes and promote Elementor Pro. Installing Elementor logos and banner advertisements on your website or blog is one way to promote the platform. Send your email list the link to the Elementor resources that you use as an affiliate. There are several other means of advertising for Elementor that the firm does not advise using. How to join Elementor Affiliate Program. Become affiliate. If you go to Elementor Affiliate Program, you will find information on how to become an Elementor affiliate, as well as more information about the program itself. But in order to participate in the Elementor Affiliate Program, you will first need to sign up for the Elementor platform yourself. After that, you will be able to submit an application for their affiliate program. During the application process, they will ask you a few questions about yourself and your background. After that, they will examine your application and let you know the results of the evaluation, including whether or not you have been recognized as an Elementor affiliate. Promote add-ons and plugins from third-party developers for Elementor. You can promote not just Elementor itself, but also add-ons and plugins for Elementor that are made by third parties. These plugins or add-ons, designed specifically for Elementor, extend the capabilities of the Elementor editing platform. Users who make use of add-ons are granted access to premium widgets and pre-designed templates, both of which may be put to use in the creation of websites that look fantastic and are packed with a variety of functionalities. There are a large number of third-party Elementor add-ons available on the market. However, we are only going to recommend the two that have the best compatibility with Elementor and are the most frequently used. 1. The best extras for Elementor. A plugin called the Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor adds more flexibility to the design capabilities of Elementor. It is a library that has a great deal of functionality. More than 40 widgets and extensions are included, in addition to more than 100 website themes and more than 200 section blocks. You are able to look at the various widgets, templates, and sections on their official website. Brainstorm Force is responsible for developing Elementor's Ultimate Add-ons. Additionally, they developed the Astra WordPress theme. They are continuing to work on this in order to eliminate flaws and improve the features and functionalities that it possesses. You have the option of becoming an affiliate for Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor by enrolling in the associated affiliate scheme and selling the product. Affiliates of Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor receive a commission of 30% on each sale, as well as cookies that are valid for 60 days. 2. Essential Add-ons for Elementor. One of the most well-known and frequently employed plugins is called Essential Add-ons. It has more than 1 million users, and more than 17 million people have downloaded it. Essential Add-ons provides users with a vast selection of widgets, both free and paid, in addition to hundreds of pre-made designs that are available for immediate usage. You can obtain additional information about Essential Add-ons for Elementor by visiting their website. Essential Add-ons for Elementor are developed by WP Developer, a well-known company in the WordPress business that is backed by a group of highly skilled and experienced individuals. They are ready to provide customers of WordPress with solutions that have a large number of features and do not pose any security problems. Joining Essential Add-ons for Elementor's affiliate network will allow you to start making money as an affiliate for that plugin. You can earn up to 30% commission on every sale made with Essential Add-ons for Elementor. Make Elementor courses and sell them. People who have a desire to learn something new and have access to the internet can generate money by selling online courses. This is the new way that people throughout the world can create money. You can create your own helpful Elementor course and sell it on Udemy or your own website if you have a lot of knowledge about Elementor and how to use it to design excellent websites. If you have this knowledge, you can produce your own helpful Elementor course. There are many different online marketplaces where individuals may buy and sell online courses. However, we advocate using Udemy due to the fact that it is one of the largest marketplaces of its kind and has over 40 million registered users who are interested in expanding their knowledge. You are not limited to merely selling courses on Elementor on Udemy. You are free to create and sell courses based on whatever expertise or knowledge you possess. You can sell your courses on Udemy, and the website also features a large number of other Elementor courses that you can use to further your education. Create Elementor layouts, themes, and expansion packs. Then, market and sell them. The creation and sale of Elementor templates, themes, and add-ons is yet another way to generate revenue. However, this option is not suitable for beginners or those with little experience. You should be familiar with the process of developing add-ons and themes for Elementor, and you should also have a team of knowledgeable individuals to assist with providing customer service. This does not mean that you are unable to create and sell themes, templates, and add-ons without a team of experts. However, it does mean that you need to be an expert in order to create something and help users with their problems by giving them support. Therefore, you really ought to give this a shot if you run a company and employ a group of skilled programmers on your staff. But even if you're just one person, you can give it a shot. Just make sure you have the relevant experience and knowledge to create something that will be helpful to other people. However, if you are just starting out or don't have a significant amount of expertise with Elementor design and development, we recommend that you sign up for some of the fantastic Elementor courses that are offered on Udemy, so that you may learn, advance, and hone your abilities. Where to sell Elementor add-ons and themes. You can sell Elementor themes and add-ons on your own website, if there are enough users in your sector interested in purchasing them. However, we strongly suggest that you sell your add-ons and themes through the Envato marketplace. Envato is the most popular online marketplace for the purchase and sale of digital products. They are equipped with everything necessary to sell a variety of digital products to the appropriate customers. And because more people will see your products if you offer them through Envato, you'll be able to make a greater number of sales of those things. You can sell your Elementor themes and add-ons on ThemeForest and Code Canyon if you sign up for the Envato Author Program and sell them there. You can create and sell Elementor courses for novices if you have experience using the software and know how to utilize it to produce high-quality websites. You can become an affiliate for Elementor Pro and promote it along with third-party add-ons if you also maintain a blog or a channel on YouTube. Working as a freelancer and creating and selling sophisticated Elementor courses, themes, and add-ons is something you may do if you have a lot of experience with designing and constructing websites using Elementor. You have the potential to earn money with Elementor. However, the manner in which you do so is contingent on the options you select. For more Make Money Online secrets, don't forget to check the links in the description and click the video that's on the screen now.